Due to climate change, we have to reduce our CO2 emissions. You all know that. That's nothing new for you. However, the question is how we do that. One option that we have in order to decrease the CO2 emissions that we have is to take care that these CO2 emissions do not go in the atmosphere, so that we catch them. This process is called carbon capture. When we capture the carbon, there's something we have to do with it. And there's actually two options. Either we reuse it or we put it into the ground. If we reuse the carbon, it's called CCU, carbon capture and use. If we put it into the ground and store it there, it's called CCS, carbon capture and storage. Where can we capture the carbon? Normally we can capture it at large industrial complexes, like refineries or cement factories, for instance. When we capture the CO2 and want to make use of it, we can use it for plastics, fertilizers, and fuels. On the other side, if we want to store the CO2, we have to find facilities for that. So we have to find places where there's aquifers, for instance, or where extraction of oil has been taking place, so that we can put the gas, the carbon, and put it underground. Now, there's not a lot of experience with CCU and CCS in Europe. And that's why the European Union actually gives money so that research projects can take place. And one of these research projects is a project called STRATEGY-CCUS. In the STRATEGY-CCUS project, we have the goal to help developing CCUS projects in Southern and in Eastern Europe. In these countries, we work together with local people, we do interviews, but we also have a look at what are the potentials to really implement CCU and CCS strategies there. So if you're interested in understanding and learning about CCUS in Europe and maybe beyond, please follow us on Twitter, interact with us, or maybe just give us a call. All right, well then, I hope you learned a little bit and we're looking forward to interacting with you. See you soon.